Hello YouTube, TKDV here, and just going to be starting a new series called Python from Noob to Pro. Basically, I got a book and I'm just going to go over it and decided to record me going through. So this is going to be a shoot the fruit game, which I'm going to be making today. So what's going to happen in this game? Just so you know, I'm following steps from this book to help me go through because I'm a complete noob. So that's why it's called From Noob to Pro. And so what I want to happen in this game is I want at the end an apple to appear at the start of the game. You have to click on it to shoot it. If you shoot and hit the apple, a message will come up saying good shot or something, and the apple will disappear and appear in another position. And if you miss, it will come up with a message saying you missed or game over or something, and the game will end. So that's what I hope to accomplish in this. So this is just a short bit of code, but it might take me a while to get through it because I'm a noob, obviously. So what you need to do is, this isn't a tutorial for how to download anything. It's just me. I've all set up and I'm about to start my code. And you need to save. So what happens if you open idle once you've got it? This is all sort of a tutorial as well. So you want to open Python. You want to go File, New File, or New Window. It might come up for, and then this will appear, which is the part where I'm doing my coding here. So you want to save it as anything like shoot.py, and make an image. Save it next to a folder called images and put a picture of an apple or fruit inside it. It's pretty simple. Just follow a tutorial on how to download it, and then it's pretty simple. And so let's start the code. So I want to make it so the apple appears. So I type apple space =, actor, open bracket, speech mark, apple, speech mark, close bracket. I'm going to type enter and press enter again, so there's a space here. And then I want to type def space draw, open bracket, close bracket, colon, and press enter, and you should see a few spaces here. Then if you see that, you type screen dot clear, open bracket, close bracket, space apple dot draw. That's open bracket, close bracket. That's it. This should make the apple appear. If you've got a picture of an apple or anything with it next to the Python folder file, this thing here. So what you want to do is you want to save, and then you want to open up command prompt, which you won't be able to see. Command prompt, and you want to type basically pgz run, and you want to get your thing and drag it in here. So obviously you type that in command prompt, so you do pgz run, and then you want to press space, and you want to get your shoot the fruit file where you've got your coding, and you want to drag it there, and then just press enter, and then this will appear. The apple is here, meaning I've done it right, which is good, obviously, because that's what I want to do. So I'll just close that, and we'll go on to the next part. So the code is working properly. You should see that screen, obviously, and if it's not, you might want to check over this, make sure it's copied exactly, make sure there's no bugs in it or any errors, and then you want to place an apple in a certain position, obviously. So what you want to do is you want a full space. So you want to type def place underscore apple, open bracket, close bracket, colon, and space, and you should see this little bit of space there. You want to type apple dot x, which is the coordinate. So I'm typing the coordinates where I want it to appear on screen. So dot x equals space 300. Then you want to press enter. You still want the space here. You want to type now apple dot y. So that's the coordinates x, y. Then you want space equal 200. Oh, that's not equal. Right, 200. This should be right. I don't know. Let's test it now. Right, so it's saved. PGZ, run, space, drag that there, and then just press enter. It should appear. There we go. There we go. It should be appearing there. Wait, hold on a minute. I think yeah, it's meant to appear there for some reason. It's not. Wait, hold on a second, guys. Alright, guys, I figured out what I'd done wrong. This is why I'm a noob. There's a little more code that you're meant to type. So you want to space, make sure there's a spare line here, and no spaces in between here. So you have to. So I've made it so it will appear there, but I've not made it so it will actually place the apple. So you have to just type simply place apple. Oh god, apple, open bracket, close bracket. That's it. So make sure if don't type in this and then save it and run it, because it won't work. You have to place the apple first. So let's save it. Close this. Right, so save this. So this is what you're meant to type in here, and then you want to run it again. So pgz run, and then we'll drag the file there. Enter. There we go. So it should be appearing there. It's appearing in the right place now. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. A good sign I'm doing this right. Right. Now, so now we know it's working. We want to make it so that you can, click on it now. So now it's time to write the code that will run when you press on the mouse. You press the mouse. So like only just when you click. So what's going to happen is like PyChem0 has a built-in function called onMouseDown, which run every time you click the mouse. You have to type it in between. So you have to type it between the code you added in step 9 and 10. So you want to type it between this here, I think. So you want it. Oh no, that's. Yeah, you want it here. So what you gotta do. Space, I think. There. So it's got to be here before you place the apple. So you type. It should run. So so you want def on mouse down. Open bracket. Pos, which is position, close bracket, at least I think, and then colon, and then you should see a little space. Print good shot, exclamation mark, question mark, close bracket, and then you want to place the apple again. Apple, open bracket, close bracket. There we go. So we should probably test that out, see if that works. Let's see. Oh wait, so every time you click the mouse, so if you want to save, and then let's run it again, pgz run, space, let's get it. So if this is right, if I am right, which I'm probably not, what should happen now is if I click, well, it should appear with, when I click the mouse, alright, okay, so I'm pretty sure, alright guys, I'm not sure if it's actually meant to do it yet, we'll just go on to the next step. So what's meant to happen is, so now, like, what should be happening is when we click, the good shot message will appear. Obviously it's not right now, but we'll fix that later if that's necessary. But so it's clicking every time, so it's playing good shot message every time we click anywhere on the screen, not even if we miss. So you want it to appear only if we hit the apple. So what you want to do is you want to add another bit of code. So you want, so when you def on mouse position, you want if apple dot color point, I don't know if I said that right, pause. So what this means is it only plays the, so we want to just quickly copy, so we will just get rid of that for now. So we want space, and then you print it again. Print good shot, and then you place the apple again. There we go. So now what happens is if you click the same position where the apple is, the message good shot will appear. So now I think, should we test it? No, I think we'll add the if it's missed yet thing. So if you miss a shot, you want it so that if we miss a shot, it's game over. So what we do is so if apple is in the same position as the where you click, it plays good shot, and it's an if command, meaning we can add, that means we can add an else command, but we should be able to anyway. So you want else colon, and then you want print you miss and then we want the game to quit, just end, so we do quit, bracket, close bracket. I think that's it. So and then it's very easy at this point. It's Apple. It will just, if you click it, it will go back in the same place. You could just spam click. But you can use Python's random module to make the game more challenging by placing the apple at a random point each time. So it's drawn in a different place each time. So obviously it's not going to make it like completely really difficult. So so first you have to add this at the very top, all the way up here, all the way at the top of the program. So you want from random import radin. So from random import randin. Randin, not what I typed. So from random import randit. So this the randit randin. I can't say that. Randin is important. It imports the function randin from Python's random module. There we go. Got there in the end. There we go. So I'm pretty sure it's time to So you want to use, so using random, change the code you typed in step 9 to look like this code. So def place apple. So on stage, that was step 9, we typed the code. Jesus Christ, I'm flipping through my book because I'm dumb, I can't remember what step 9 was. So here, it's just always here. So we want to change it to, so you want to go to here. Oh god. So you want to change it apple.x, so that's the same, equals randint, so that's the thing we have imported up here. Open bracket, 10, comma, space, 800, close bracket. And then for that apple y coordinates, apple dot y equals randint. I hope I'm typing this right. So you want open bracket 10, comma, space 600, close bracket. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's it. You did it. Run your program to play the game each time you shoot the apple. So I hope this works. This might not. This is a very small code. Yeah, it's taken me a while. It might take me longer because I might not have this right. So you want to save it. Now I want to command prompt. So I want to pgz run space. You want to get shoot the fruit, game code. You'll press enter. It's a shame you can't see all this, but you know what you meant to do here. There we go. This appears now on the command prompt on the thing. So it appears here. You click, and then it puts in different locations. And what I realized is the good shot message didn't appear again because it is appearing on the command prompt. So I might try and show that if I can. So, and if I miss, it'll just end like that. So you can see I didn't go up to the corner and close it, so I just clicked in the blank space. So yeah, my code works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, it's not my code, it's the code I got from the book. So I hope you enjoyed the first video of Python from noob to pro. Where we made our Apple game. Shoot the Apple game. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Just quickly, as you can see, this is what you're meant to be typing. Firstly, this is what you type in when you want to, run your game. And then this is what was appearing when you hit it. So scoot shot, and then when I missed, you missed. So it was appearing there. Maybe I can add it so that it prints an image on the screen. But anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.